Hi, Slater. Thank you for telling me that. Oh, I am so intelligent. Hi, Slater. How are you doing? How's it going, Slater? There was definitely audio the entire time, and I definitely wasn't just accidentally doing that. Let me turn my mic down, actually. Actually, no, I think it's fine. Okay. Check out the little hamster guy. Yes, I know. The hamster guy is very cute. Say hi to Slater Productions.
Hi, Slater Productions.
This Sand guy, he's like so good at coding. Like, how much can I glaze you before you get embarrassed? Yes, the hamster does squeak. The hamster does squeak. Funny enough, he's the objective. You need to get him to the end of the path, and he moves if your team is around it, but if I swap teams, it'll, like, stop it. So, like, say there was another person from the opposite team here, the hamster wouldn't be moving. And the more people I have, the faster he moves. It's like an Overwatch game mode. Yeah, it's gonna be really similar. Right now I just made a basic gun so I could test it, but it's going to, in the end, play a lot differently than Overwatch. I just had to set... This is like the project I'm gonna be streaming, because I can't stream any content on Arcadia. And that's really been taking up most of my time as of recent. Think more like fantasy RPG classes, but you get to choose an RPG class to play. It's gonna be more like that. Alright. So, let's see. There's a few things that need to be done. I'm just gonna get the start game done. Yeah, similar concept though. Like how Overrun is counter. Yeah, fair. Fair. Okay. I should probably get started on the start game then. Let me pull up that function. Functions. Okay. Pre-game. I made a function for it, but I don't know what's in it. Oh, okay. A lot of progress. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Very different concept, but still. What is this even slash fill? Wait. Is that this? 108? Oh, okay. So yeah, it's filling that with... Oh, okay. Oh, did you see any of Tester Summit? Yeah, it was lit. I saw how GG Gamer was a fraud. I put a thing about Tester Summit in the Bedrock news, but I didn't want to put any spoilers, you know, because they might, someone might want to watch it, so I didn't really give any spoilers. GG Gamer is a fraud, so real. Yes, yes he is. I hate that GG Gamer guy. He's such a fraud. Yes. Relic was amazing. Oh yeah, I heard that, like, I didn't watch Relic because I was at work when Relic was going. I didn't work for a lot of it. I mainly just like watched a rerun of it, and I skipped a lot of it. I skipped over Relic, but from what I heard, it went like no one did good from what I heard. All I heard is that it was chaos and you ramped up the difficulty by 1,000,000. No, Relic was amazing. I guess I was lied to then. We were running it on the new server, so the timers actually worked. What? Every team had 2 to 3 members on their team get locked in. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. People need to actually be good at Relic now. That's wild. I never thought that would happen. I thought that Relic was just ruined from now on. Hey Sand, when's the next Mafia update?
Winter.
Wow. You actually knew that. What the heck? I was expecting you to be like, I don't know, man. You know,
We're having custom role lists and a few new, I think like 2 or 3 new roles or something.
Okay, okay. I see you.
In a new map.
See you. I see you. Bro is actually locked in.
I already have custom role lists, part 1 mostly done.
Okay.
Actually, I think I have custom role lists done. You should check it out sometime. It's like really cool tech that I made.
The tech is crazy. Hi, Mr. Mundane. How's it going, man?
Yeah, you can have like presets and stuff of what role list you want.
That's really cool. Dude, when I get this shooter game done, we should have a Ascension OcoPaco random hero shooter game collaboration press. You just, and by that I mean you just code all of my characters inside of Zenith and I do no work.
Bro.
I think that sounds completely fair. What do you think? I'll take that as a yes. Good going home from school. How's your day been? My day has been great. The school day was easy, so now I have a ton of energy. Normally I'm wore out by this time of the day, but it's fine. Sand is doing extra totally tubular. He is like locked into a project that I can't wait to play. It's like Valorant and Minecraft. What are you and Sand making? I'm making this thing that's like, it's a shooter where you have to get the payload to the other side of the map and the other team's trying to stop you. And he's making something, a shooter that's similar to Valorant.
I'm making Valorant, he's making Overwatch.
Essentially. But they're completely separate. Well, Ascension is TF2. I said essentially.
Oh, sorry.
Bro. Bro hears the name of his game and goes crazy. Ascension? Alright. Oh, okay, I get it.
Manhunt's actually near the end of their beta as well.
What? It's gonna launch with only 1 map? That's crazy.
No. I don't have a second map for launch. Just I feel like the main mechanics are in place. They actually need to flesh them out and also add the second map, and then we should be good. And then maybe add a few new hunters as well and anomalous items.
Fair. I also just wanted to say I love the Arcadia rebrand. It fits way better than the event that saved it. Yeah, thank you. You're like one of the few people who like it. I personally really enjoy it. I think it's nice, but a lot of people didn't like it. So there was a few people who liked it, but I'm happy to hear. I'm happy to hear some positive feedback on it that people enjoyed it. Thank you, Slater. Sorry, what were you saying, Sam?
Hmm?
What were you saying? I'm sorry, I interrupted you.
I introduced you've seen the book, right?
Book?
Or Manhunt?
Oh yeah, I know I have. I know what you're on about now.
Yeah,
I
I
was just a
added
bit
the
confused.
items, and I also added the perks so you can see what the perks do as well.
Makes sense.
I added another new hunter called Hush, which I was testing. Adding Hush was like a test to see if something, like one of your suggestions you gave me, I tested with that hunter. So what that hunter does is its ability can hide their aura and also deafen the runners.
What suggestion was that I gave you? That
You said that there should be an anomalous item that can deafen the hunter.
Yeah.
Right, and I'm probably gonna add that. I just wanted to test it first with Hush. Hush's weakness is pretty interesting as well. They become deaf to apples being eaten. And instead they hear a weird fizzing sound in their ear.
Okay.
which means that they can hear that you're eating an apple, like within like 30 blocks, but they don't know where you're eating the apple.
Makes sense.
Can
I test these, Akko? And you, Akko and Sand stuff was cool. I would love for you to test mine. I normally just like every time I got like stream something, I just let viewers test. So sure, of course. Sand, I can invite you to the project that Sand is working on. I can invite you to the Discord of it. I will say though, the community in there is a bit
Invite them to the Sand server, not Zenith.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea. You don't want to. If I invite them to the Zenith server, he's just gonna like leave right off the bat. Okay, yeah. Invite people. Hopefully you'll be able to actually join this one. There you go. There's an invite, Mr. Mundane. Alright, I'm trying to make just like a basic map that's like at least a little bit dynamic, like a lot of flank routes and stuff. That way I can see if the game is even decent.
Luckily for Zenith, I have already 6 maps made for it.
I can't play right now, but hopefully I'll see you next time you stream because I'm. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna be honest. This isn't even close to a state of being tested, so you're not missing out on anything. I was just saying when it is done. Pretty much the only thing that's done now is like this one gun. Then there's like the death system, which I don't feel like showing. And then there's the cog cannon, which is kind of. Wait, is this the wrong one? It just kind of shoots out the snowball. It is a cool 3D model, though. I do quite enjoy it. This is gonna be an interesting character. Yeah. Anyways, so Sand.
Yeah.
Am I gonna create the top 10 games NA ever?
Maybe.
I'm hearing that as a yes. Okay,
Well,
so
well, my game project is gonna be Ascension, Mafia, Manhunt, Zenith. Those are gonna be that's gonna be my lineup of projects.
and I have too many projects. Yeah, the difference is I don't stay loyal to mine.
I actually have mine done. Ascension, I mean, kind of. Manhunt's in the beta, right? But it's been having really good progress. Zenith, I've just started,
fair.
And then Ascension is like in a weird state where it's like in between an update.
Dude, I'm waiting for you to let me make a payload map for Ascension.
So you can do it.
Yeah, I know, but I'm waiting for your fancy smancy update feature for me to do it. Your fancy smancy custom person feature.
Maybe. That's gonna be like long down the line though.
Yeah, well, I was waiting for that because that's like what I need to do it, right?
No, you can just give me the map and then like tell me how it goes and I'll put it in as like a sub game mode.
Oh, I don't even need that thing done yet? Oh, I thought I needed that fancy thing done. Oh, heck yeah. Dude, I'll just give you the map that I'm working on right now, trust.
That's crazy.
Make it where you need to move a sniffer to the end. Good enough for now.
Oh, also, the sniffers that I did was actually, like, I really like the way I did it.
Yeah?
You want to see?
Sure,
Let me
man.
just share my screen.
Do you mind if I make it where the stream can see?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me, oh, wait, there we go. People should be able to see everything now.
give me a second. I have to, so I
Alright.
don't get Hunter.
What is this really cool sand project gonna be?
I guess so I don't get Hunter.
Come on. You got this. Alright. Functions. Start. Oh yeah.
Function.
Your screen shares a solid 2 FPS. But
Here's
it's
one of the
fine.
spawns.
Holy crap. I can barely see what's going on, but it's fine.
It's because I accidentally opened Xbox app, which probably lagged my PC.
Yeah. Alright. I gotta bounce.
Alright, is it better now?
Thank you, Slater. Yeah, it's much better. Have a great rest of your day.
Alright, this is what it looks like.
Oh, that's so cute. So he sniffs when you're hacking?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, back away from him.
Wait, I can't move yet.
Oh, I like that.
And then you look at the timer, it just went up by 60.
That is so cool. That is genuinely so cool. Like he does the facility test. Another suggestion I have is you should add a security camera feature.
Was actually originally in this game mode, but I removed cameras because it like I don't really see too much of a point of it.
Okay.
The only reason why cameras were good before because you would get put in like a little, you would watch the hunter in the thing and the hunter couldn't find you. Yeah, so this is what happens if you fail it. If I use it, I can't move right
clicked
now.
off already.
Oh, if I use it right now, I can't use it, right?
Yeah.
If I just click when it's not at the exact green stuff, even if I click right now, it will fail, right?
Yeah.
So let's say like, I click here, it fails, and whenever I pass or fail, it shows the sniffer thing, and I don't get the time. The only difference besides the time is also it lasts longer if I fail. Like I can't use it for longer if I fail. If I try and use it while it's already like when it's like that, it's just that.
Okay, yeah. So then it just fails. Okay, makes sense.
And they have 8 aura, so you can still kind of find them.
Okay. Alright.
And 3 spawns per game.
I think every time you complete one, it should go to a new location. Also, hear me out. An item for runner that like you could place it down as like an entity, and it's just a camera wherever you place it, and you can like see it remotely. And then
You see, that would be cool, but there's the main problem. There's a main problem, and that's the camera. Wait, did they fix the thing where if you're too far away from the /camera command, you can't see players?
No.
So yeah,
I don't think
I'm
so.
waiting. There was an idea I had which was similar to that, which was like a magic mirror. You would use it.
Hey, Lazy. Sorry.
The magic mirror would like put your camera on the hunter's camera, but the weakness is you couldn't see players through it.
Makes sense.
So you were like just in the area where the hunter was, but you wouldn't know exactly where the hunter was. And like it would be spinning. So if the hunter's like standing right here, just walking up, your camera would be like this.
It'd be whack.
Yeah, it'd just be following them as well, like going and spinning. And also while using it, you had an aura, so if they were too close to you, they would find you.
Makes sense.
I also thought of it making like a sound effect too, so you just gotta use it when they're not near you, and then when they start getting near you, you take it away. Go in.
Lazy, look, it's a gun. Oh, that's technically a cannon. Here's a different gun. It's a gun. Wow. Isn't that crazy? And not reused assets? I love guns too. You see, that's why I'm proud to be an American, Lazy. And Sand here is too. Say yes, Sand.
Yes, Sand.
Good enough. America is so awesome. I love it here. It's me too. I love America. America is my favorite place ever to ever exist. Alright, let's see. Now I need to... but the knives are better. I don't know about that one, man. There's only so much you can do with a knife, but like I can like put a million different attachments on my gun and like put so many silencers on it that you can't even hear it. But like, what customization does a knife have? Like, you can make it bigger, but then it just becomes a sword. Like, there's only so much you can do with the knife meta, you know what I mean? Zero equals dot zero. Run. Okay, death check means death. Where's death check? Here it is. Attach a broom to knife is the best way to use it, not gonna lie. Attaching a broom to it, you know? I can see it. Hear me out. I can see it. Okay. Hey, Sand.
Yeah?
What's your plans for your next project after Zenith? When Zenith eventually dies again?
Bro, you suck.
My bad.
One sec. Let me open my Trello. Because I have a Trello for all my stuff. Alright. So, there's coming things which, so, here's the things that are coming. Manhunt, Mafia Winter Update, Zenith Ascension Valentine Update. And then, after those four, there's Considering, which is, Sands of Time, Minecraft Lapis, Minecraft Plus, Impossible Mode Update, V2.
Sands of Time, you say? Hi, Mr. Guy! I feel like you're just naming things after yourself.
That was one thing.
That
But it's
scared
also
me.
possible that a Manhunt or Zenith, like, possible that a Manhunt update is coming and multiple Zenith updates are probably coming.
Wait, is it gonna respawn me or something? If it respawns me right now, I'm gonna kill myself. Well, my mom didn't raise a quitter. Whee! Okay.
Anyways, you wanna know what I just did for Sparky?
Sure.
The flashbang now is distance based.
Explain. Oh wait, you mean like the actual flash itself? I thought you were talking about you did something to the arc. Okay.
No. The actual flash.
It wasn't
like, how long
before?
It was before, but it was like weirdly, it's like, you know, like that one time Tracer was weird, where like you would step back one step and then your bullet damage would go down from like a stupid amount to like nothing.
Okay.
It basically was like based on how many blocks away you are. Like if you're 10 blocks away, it'd be this much. If it was 20 blocks, you're this much. 30 blocks, this much.
Okay, so it's like how you coded the
But now it's more
grenade.
like. Now it's more like the rocket launcher from Ascension.
No way, is the Arcadia Sigmania owner OcoPaco? Yes, it is the Arcadia Sigmania owner OcoPaco. How did you know? Wait, my subscriber count went up by 2! Yo, I did it! Sand, give me a high five. He high-fived me, guys. I should subscribe. Yes, you should, Roman. Also, hi, Roman. How are you doing? I thought that was Mr. Guy who sent that no way thing. The username gave it away, but also just the general vibe. Oh, fair enough. I didn't see that was you. I thought that I thought that was Mr. Guy. My dyslexia is getting the best of me today. Okay. You know, this is Sand. Say hi, Sand.
Hi, Sam.
And Roman, these are all the reasons that you should hire him for WMCT. He's reliable. He has a good work ethic. He can code much better than me, but he can code. Like, dang, he can code. Well, I'm doing good. Just got a Costco and I got smoothie. Makes sense. Costco is kind of lit, and something that is really special about him actually is he has 4 Costco memberships.
What?
Are you sold yet? No, you should hire this one random person for your staff team. Okay. I have no idea who this person is. Well, they have 4 Costco memberships. Isn't that enough to get into WMCT? Come on. Don't you trust me that I'd give a good suggestion? Don't actually answer that question honestly. Roman, this is where you just need to nod your head and move on. What are you this is my streaming project because I have like a project that I can't stream, which is Arcadia Mania. So I'm doing this project. It is a shooter thing where you need to get this little hamster guy to the end while the other team is trying to stop you. Chat, I don't have a I'm in chat, I don't have a head. Oh, good point. You kind of lose all brain cells when you enter someone's chat. I forgot about that. I'm sorry. If I walk away, he stops walking. Really basic stuff. If the enemy team is here, he'll stop moving. You get the idea. Yeah. That's basically the core thing. So right now I'm making a general map so I can code characters. Wait, that's a fire hamster? Yes, it is a fire hamster. He's actually the only reason that people are gonna like the game. He's the mascot. You know, at this point, he should be the Arcadia Mania mascot. Like, Toady kind of sucks. I'll be so for real. He sucks so much. Most people don't even know that he exists. That's how much he sucks as being a mascot. Am I right or am I right, Sand?
What?
I'm right. He said I'm right. Dun 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 dun. Just borrow P1W's mascot? That's actually such a good idea. Hold up, let me just steal Sid. The only problem with that though is that Echo Knight would quite literally murder me. And that is not me being a joke. What about Jerry the Mouse, SpongeBob, or even Mr. Guy? I could just use Mr. Guy as the Arcadia Mania mascot. Actually, wait, let me put that in Arcadia Mania notes right quick. 1 second. New... Wait, 1 second. Staff... You know, I'll just put it in game. To-do list. Alright, and I'll ping you to add it too. Make Mr. Guy mascot. Perfect. Hello, Dirty and Muddy Swamper. How are you doing? We were just talking about how we're gonna make Mr. Guy the new Arcadia Mania mascot. How are you two doing on this fine and glorious, totally tubular evening? I'm super mascot. Also, this is Sand. Not all of you know them. Say hi. Sand.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Dun, 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 dun. He's a better coder than me. But it's close. Trust. Believe me, it's close, I promise.
Definitely.
Okay, he knows more about the scripting. He knows more about
You know how to model better?
I'd argue so. I'd argue my models are pretty heat. If you click on my stream, I'll show you the hamster. It's a pretty sick model.
Anyway, Sparky. Or, sorry,
I am not Sparky.
Listen, I'm working on the Sparky character right now, and I was just talking to Sparky earlier.
So why does Sparky get a character but OcoPaco doesn't? Where's the OcoPaco?
I don't know, actually.
You're both
I don't know why.
You're both so quiet. Everything is quiet, by the way. Oh, wait. Let me turn that up. Thank you for telling me that.
I do not know why, Sparky got a character. No, Blash just
Is that better?
gave Sparky a
Oh,
character.
wait. That's way too loud. Is that better? Yes or no? Tell me if it's bad. Or if Sand is too loud or quiet. Or if it's horrible. Slightly? Okay, wait. Let me try it a little bit more. For me, it's like going into the red, so I'm too scared to bring it into the red. Talk, Sand?
Hi.
Well, that's all I can bring him up, so. Let's see. Is that better? Yeah, that's good. Alright, perfect. You're gonna hear my mouse clicks now. Wait, let me move my mic, actually. So you probably won't hear it as bad, hopefully. Alright, hopefully now my keyboard isn't too clicky and you can still hear me. I hope.
But
One can dream.
Want an ASMR?
Is that what they want?
Yeah, well, it's a coding stream. Like, literally, what else are you gonna do besides ASMR?
I mean, I guess. I have Pokemon music in the background, man. That's what's meant to appeal to people. It's the Pokemon music and the chill vibes.
You know, they could just play their own music.
What the heck?
Okay.
You know,
I wish
you are
there
being
was
such a hater today.
I wish there was an option for, like, on YouTube or something. If you streamed, you could, like, have different audios that people can mute, right? So let's say you have, like, music in the background, you can have, like, when people don't want to hear that music, they can mute it.
That would honestly be really nice. Or, like, you can enable and disable certain parts of the overlay.
Something like that, too, yeah. Or, for example, if, let's say you're doing, like, a social deduction game or something,
Yeah?
you could have it where you could have an audio, like, jack that's going through, the dead player's mic.
Yeah?
So, if they're dead, then, the stream players, people can just, like, put on the dead players' voices and turn off the regular, even if the main guy that they're watching is not dead.
That would be really cool, but it's, like, never gonna happen. Hey, Muddy, so what I'm doing is I'm making a... This is basically gonna be, like, a shooter where you need to get the payload to the end. Think like Overwatch or Team Fortress 2. So you see this little guy right here? If I'm near him, he moves, and your goal is to get him all the way to the end. And the other team's gonna try to stop you. There's guns, so like if I grab a few pigs, I can shoot them and murder them. And then there is ones like this that is, it broke because of an update, but like, this is just a basic snowball, but that's gonna be changed later. How we go again? Here we go again? Yeah, I know. Dirty, I need a project I can stream. I need a project I can stream, man. I can't stream Arcadia. I would, if I could stream Arcadia to like only the testers, it would be perfect. You actually put Mr. Guy the mascot in staff notes. I'm not gonna lie. Why would I ever lie to you, lazy llama? What? You're my goat. Why would I lie to you? Anyways, Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay. OMG, Ghost Invasion looks so cool. X, good job, X. Oh wait, are you talking about this? Or are you talking about actual Ghost Invasion? Or are you talking about actual Ghost Invasion? Oh, Mr. Guy, we're talking about how you're making the official Arcadia mascot. It was Lazy Llama's idea. Make it an unlisted stream, then share the link. I could do that, honestly. That's honestly not even a bad idea. Hold up.
I'm gonna use the washroom.
Oh, okay, Sam. Yeah, that Sand guy. You know what, guys? I hate him. He's such a jerk. Trust. You should add me as a tester to Arcadia. I thought you signed up for. I thought I was gonna put you on a roster. I'm pretty sure that's the only reason I did that. Could I just join? Wait, you can just join a whitelisted. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, Mr. Guy. I was literally doing a unlisted stream and he just joined it. It was a stream test. I was testing this and he just kind of joined it, said hi in my chat, and I was like, what the heck? Because Discord just lets you do that. It's so stupid. I don't know why. Alright, let's see. Spawn doors. Is that what it's meant to be named? Or is it just spawn door? Yeah, spawn doors. Alrighty. Okay. You can just turn that off. I can. I didn't even know I could do that. I just don't want to risk it after last time. He just kind of joined, and it really scared me. Execute as spawn door. Wait, no, I type. Holy crap, I can't type. Type equals armor stand. Name equals spawn doors. At s run fill 1 2 3 -1 3 -1 1 4 5 6 1. And he said yes, yay! And he said yes, yay, 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 yay! Replace. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, Mr. Guy. Let's settle it down, man. Let's settle it down. Polished black stone wall. Wait, did that remove it for all of them? Woo! My basic command worked! My bad? Yeah, no, you're good, Mr. Guy, you're good. Alright. So now I just need to make a function. I'm gonna call it start dot MC function. All right. Okay. I guess I'll do this next part in command blocks. You know what? I'm gonna give Arcadia leaks because I need a certain command chain from there, and I know I'm not in a bad area that I can't show. I think actually, let me make sure I'm in that area before I change the stream back. Okay, yeah, no, I'm in a safe area. I'm in a safe zone. I'm not leaking anything. Actually, wait, I'll just show my entire screen. Here we go. And I'll put this on one side, and then I'll put... There we go. Perfect. Here, I'm here, by the way. I don't want to... Please don't leak. I want to be roster. I won't leak anything. that I think of. Oh yeah, this is just ideal. This is how I want to get my commands. This is how I want to do commands. Actually, wait, I could just export it as a structure file. What the phooey am I doing? Let me just change this back and just... Oh, well, I just... Me leaking shit. Oh, I'm so great at this. Let's see. Did I leak anything important? No, all that stuff has already been done. It's fine. I accidentally leaked something in the Arcadia server, lock in, but it was for last season, so I don't care. It's for last season, so I don't care. I'm such a good owner. Export. No one saw. It's fine. Yeah, I know. I was a bit worried for a second, but who cares? Who cares? It was... I thought it was the to-do list for that season, so that's why it would have been bad, because people could have gone back through. But... yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
What'd you leak?
The last season's changelog. I thought it was this upcoming season's changelog, and I was like, oh crap, because there was a lot of stuff in there. Because, you know, rework just happened. Or not rework, but rebrand. So I thought it was a lot more than it was. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see how... Button. Boom. Also, thank you. I know I am the peak owner. 2, 1.
8.
Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that health. I want to kind of put it at the top of my screen, but I also want the bottom for something. Wait, I could use title. Because I'm not using custom... Ooh, okay, okay. Title at a... title. Sand, how's your project going?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I just got Sparky's flashbang almost ready.
Okay, okay. I see you, I see you. Alright, press the button. Let's see what happens. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, it worked. I'm so proud of myself. What is he working on? He's working on a project called Zenith. It's basically like Valorant in Minecraft. It's honestly really cool. He does a bunch of really cool scripting stuff in there. But a lot of it goes over my head. But that's because all of my stuff goes over his head. Because we have very different skill sets. And I'm just objectively better at some coding aspects.
Yeah, like making models?
No, like everything that's not scripting, actually. Just everything else.
JSON UI? Are you good at JSON UI?
Is JSON UI really a skill? Let's talk about it.
What? That's crazy. Is JSON UI a skill? It's like the hardest thing to learn.
Yeah, but I don't want to learn that until they do the rework.
Yeah.
I've done my fair share of that. I've moved
Like
titles around. I've put images on the screen. So like I'm basically a professional.
I heard that it might be coming in 2026. So, and also I heard that JSON UI developers make a good amount of money because it's really hard to learn. So if you do learn it, it might not be good for Minecraft anymore in 2 years, but it's still gonna be good for like actually learning JSON UI.
Oh, great. Thanks, Mojang!
I've tried learning JSON UI. Oh my man, it's like some of the most confusing stuff.
Yeah, no, from what I've seen,
Like,
JSON UI is horrible, and that's why I don't want to learn it.
It doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense.
Let's see.
It's a dumb coding language. I don't know why it's like that.
It's actually the most optimized coding language, believe it or not.
No, it's not.
It's actually the most optimized coding language.
Let me switch it up.
You're gonna ask, is JSON UI the most optimized coding language? It's gonna be like, yes, it is. That's what it's gonna say. JSON UI kind of sucks, to be fair. Everyone talks about how hard it is to learn, and then they're confused when why Mojang is removing it. Well, yeah, I don't think anyone should be confused about why Mojang's removing it. It's just objectively a bad system. I tried to learn it, and I eventually was like, I do not have the time nor the mental not killing myself capacity to do this.
I don't even think it could be considered. I don't even think it's considered a programming language. It's considered a data interchange format.
Nothing in JSON is considered a real programming language. But I call it that because it's close enough. I've been told by people, because the main thing you work on is JSON, that I'm not a real programmer, and I'm like, okay, man, let's ignore everything else that I know how to do. Let's ignore the fact that I literally remade Pokemon Brick Bronze. I'm not a programmer, guys. What's JSON, chat? It is JSON is basically a type. The mental not killing myself capacity. Yes. It is very... Yes. Did that not get flagged? Rip. Oh.
Dumb language.
But yeah, no, so basically, so here's what you need to imagine, Mr. Mundane, alright? Imagine you are in a room, like, programming, making Minecraft stuff, but the room is on fire, you're on fire, everything's on fire, and you just have to pretend like it's fine. And that is what you need to know about JSON. Anyways.
That's why I love scripting.
Okay, and so for scripting, all you need to know is everything's underwater, and everyone's drowning, and everyone's dying, and we're all floating to the surface like dying fish, but we have to pretend like it's okay. There is no I mean. It's objectively true. Because I said so. Sounds lovely? Yes, it is, Mr. Mundane. Yes, it is. I love working on Minecraft Bedrock projects.
Also, by the way I coded the flashbang would work perfectly for your deathmatch mode.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I don't even need to change anything.
Yeah.
To be fair, MCB Minecraft Bedrock Edition has its charm, in my opinion. It's not sustainable at all, but yeah, but to be fair, it's kind of lost its charm to me ever since the incident where it deleted everything I did.
You mean the update that
the update that broke all custom items? Why did my Whooper go away?
Yeah,
okay,
Whooper
is
never
back.
Trusting experiments anymore.
Yeah, no, I'm never gonna. I just can't trust experimental gameplay anymore. I disagree about the sustainable thing, but it's sort of expected with the game that's continuously updating. Wait, what update was that? It was. I can't remember, but it removed. I think it was the one that changed out run command for Q command, but that wasn't actually in the change logs. So I was there for like several days because all of my items that used run command for their right clickable things was like that. It wasn't.
Also, is OnUse still working for you?
Is who?
OnUse, that's still working for you?
unused. I believe so. It's just Q command that's broken for me now. So, sorry, run command, so I need to use Q command, but they didn't put that in the change logs.
Yeah, but also because you have unused for everything, you have to port it. You can't port it as easily to an updated version.
Oh, I know.
Which is gonna suck.
That's why all my new stuff is code to scripting. Question. No offense, I think it's resolved all of those issues in like 30 minutes. No shade to the reason I can say adjust the format version updates and remove any events. Yeah, I know. It's just at the time I didn't really know like the Q command thing. And I thought I had to recode all of the right clickable things in scripting. And also, I don't think you knew how many items there were. It was just a frustrating experience when I didn't know, because I didn't know scripting at the time, so I didn't know any alternatives for the right clickable thing. And didn't WNCT fully break? Hold up. Actually, no, I think those were two different updates. I'm glad to stick with command blocks. This looks hard and annoying. Well, this right here that I'm doing right now is just command blocks. It's just a function. Anyways. Pre-game. Okay, I need to figure out what I need to put in here. Alright. I need to get my brain thoughts together. Although I would agree the formatting has always been stupidly weird and the only consistent has been recently. Yeah. But also, I'd argue that I just want better documentation for a lot of this stuff. Because a lot of the stuff, in my opinion, just isn't documented well enough. But that could be a really bad take. And I recognize that a lot of people think that's a really bad take, which is fine.
That's why scripting UI is well documented.
Well, yeah. Well, lucky you. You get something that's well documented. Ha ha ha.
JSON UI is not well documented at all.
Oh yeah, no, that's why I gave up on it. WNCT never fully broke, but it would have if you continue to develop on BDSX. Yeah, makes sense. Anyways, execute as IE.
That's why I'm never using anything other than scripting again. And functions are good too.
At this point, most things I prefer to use functions for, but I still use scripting. It's just that fancy wireless redstone blocks. Excuse me? You better not be talking about either functions or scripting badly right now, Dirty. Is that what I see you doing right now, Dirty? Oh, okay, Dirty. Thanks. Or is he asking what, like... Oh, is it... Oh, he's asking what a function is, and then you explain it. Okay, never mind. We're good another day. Never mind. Okay. Never mind. I thought he was talking bad about them. So I was going to get a little bit upset, but it's fine. Okay, as a detail... Run, teleport at A.
Right. I completely recoded Sparky's Flash, and Sparky as a character should be done now, but I think I need to do I don't know if...
On console, thanks so much.
I might have to redo the ultimate once it gets to, once we get the new crossbows, though.
Makes sense. But it'll be fine. Hear me out. What if for, like, one of your characters, right? Hear me out. You gotta envision this, right? So, you have one character, and one of his abilities is he has, like, a throwable thing that, like, bounces off of walls, and then it flashes, right? Then you have another thing that was, like, sendable, and it moves straight forward, and you could teleport to it.
We have Loki already.
No, and then it goes straight forward, and you could teleport to it. And then you could make a clone of yourself, and it would walk forward, and if someone shoots the phone, it flashes. And then, what if you made their color scheme all blue and cool? And what if for the ultimate, You just let them go
Well,
invisible and
you
move around the
can't,
map
we
and
already-
make them
We
invulnerable.
already have 2 abilities. You
Huh.
already have said 3 abilities. You can only be 3. We have only 2 abilities in an alternate right now.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
We'll remove one of them. Remove the one that you think would be hardest to code. What a unique idea, Aka. Thank you. I thought it was a very unique
Yeah.
idea.
As soon as I heard the flashbang that bounces off walls, like, damn, this is gonna be Yoru, isn't it?
Okay, hear me out. Since you clearly don't like that one because you hate me, what about this one, alright? So, you have one who he has, like, a smoke, right? That was kind of made out of water. And then you have a second one that was a smoke that was made out of water. But this time it was in a wall form. And then you have a third one that's, guess what?
Yeah, no thanks.
A smoke made out of water that moves forward.
We have
Oh, yeah.
water smoke guy.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, but you ruined Davy for me. You took my idea, my precious little boy, my precious little baby boy, and then you ruined it.
And gave him. You're literally suggesting a character with smokes right now, and you got mad at me for giving it.
Oh, hello, new people.
Smokes.
Yes, I am. Because smokes ruin the game.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
Smokes are so important.
Yeah, and that's why I hate them. Dude, I'm just being annoying right now.
Alright, I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back.
Oh, okay. Alright, see you, Sand.
5 minutes.
Alright, so...
I like 5 minutes.
Alright, so now that guy's gone, let's talk about how much we hate that guy. You know, like, personally, I really hate that guy. Yeah. My least favorite part about him is how much I hate him. Mm-hmm. My least favorite part about him is, like, I bet, like, he just doesn't shower. Like, he's just constantly coding all day. Am I right or am I right, guys? Hate him so much? Yeah. Yeah. I do too. I can't even blame you. Definitely haven't met. Yeah, no, my least favorite part about him is how he hasn't met you, Mr. Mundane. If he would have met you, I wouldn't have a problem with him. But since he hasn't met you, he sucks as a person, as a human. I sucked until I met you, Mr. Mundane. Believe it or not. Structure void. Dun, 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 dun. Fundamentally, everyone sucks until I enter the picture. On God, they do. They suck so much. Okay, so it teleports everyone and it resets it. Okay. I need to worry about health. I guess I'll just run the main tank that runs once the game starts. Fundamentally, everyone's okay. Because healing's in the game. Okay, well, I'll do this. Scoreboard players set at a health 1000, and I'll just push it down. Mundane, what games do you want me to take over, by the way? Cause I think you should take over Spleef. I don't know who coded that game, but whoever did is, like, actually so stupid. Like, he's actually a dummy. Can I get an on God, or do I get an on God? Type equals hamster. Okay. I've already taken sweep off of mooses. Okay, what even needs to be done now? Oh yeah, I need to do side 2 now. Rush, please. Sorry, I haven't been available recently. Oh. Rush doesn't sound too hard. If you need, you can steal some of my old battle box code, by the way. Dre Day, for that. You have the save. Anvil. Hello, new viewer. Okay. Side to respawn. And they're gonna spawn right in here. Also don't worry, mooses, I understand. You can't do much about it. Dirty, you're too nice. I don't like it. You're too good of a person. You should really stop that. You make me look bad by comparison. You get what I'm saying? First has a rework Wacko. It doesn't work similar at all. Well, at that point, just make it a new game and rename it. Come on, man. Oh, wait. Okay. Spawn doors. Dirty, you're actually the goat, man. Thank you. Aww. Where's pregame? Here's pregame. Team 2 decide to respawn. Yes. Now I go to start. Health is 1000. Yep, that seems fine. So it'll be like 3, 2, 1, bomb. Okay, and then I'll just be like title at a tag equals team to title prepare defenses. Alright. And then I'll do like team 1 prepare to attack. Alright. So they'll just do that at the beginning. And then for now I'll just make it where the attackers are allowed in normally. Okay, scoreboard, objectives, add time dummy. Actually no, I'll do T dummy time. Scoreboard objective set display sidebar time. Oh wait, did I mess it up? Scoreboard's objectives, remove T. I'm slow. Okay, add time dummy. Okay, here we go. Let me just go back in here. Scoreboard players set. T time. How much time do we think is fair? Let's just say 4 minutes. 4 times 60 is 180. Let's just say 210. Actually, no, I'll give him more time. You know, I'll just say 300 seconds for now. Screw it. And then we can make it go up or down if we want later. So, what else is really needs to be done? Oh, these need to be a different spawn doors name under here. Because these are going to be opening first, so we want to label them separately. Okay, let's see. I think it's just called spawn doors. Let me check. Spawn doors. Yes, sir, it is. Oh, wait. This doesn't have a space. Spawn doors 2. Actually, no. I'll do it. I don't know. Team 2 always means defend. I just need to remember that. 1 is always attack. 2 is always defend. Alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna have a separate function that is 20 ticks. Oh, right now, Akko. Hi, Echo Knight. How's it going, man? I'm making some W progress. At work? Well, thank you for tuning in, man. You can be my #1 chatter. They're gonna have to beat out Mr. Mundane, though. That might be pretty hard. Get the OcoPaco. You know what? I'm gonna... I trust you. I'm gonna give you moderator, actually. Accept it. You have to. You don't have a choice. Add as moderator. Standard moderator. There you go, Echo Knight. How do you feel now that you're a moderator of the OcoPaco stream? This guy will ban all gay people, though. Well, good thing you're not gay, right, Dirty? Good thing we're all straight individuals in this server. Right, Dirty? Dun 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 dun. You know, I'll make you moderator too, Dirty. Why not? Now take away Mr. Guy's moderator. Sing thick of it. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. Oh yeah. Did I eat that up? Check DMs, please. Okay, let me check DMs. What the heck? You know what? Do you care if I read this out loud? You know, I'll just summarize. Yes, Echo, you are correct. The one who is dating the man is gayer than someone who is not dating a man. Give me my mod back. I don't know. I don't trust that you're not gonna just send pictures of the Twin Towers. I don't think he can fault me for that. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. I didn't, though. You literally did. You sent an emoji of a plane and an emoji of a tower. You literally did. Because I removed the message. You know what? Sure. You can have it back. Out as moderator. I'll give it back for now. But if I see any more twin towers, it's gonna be gone. And then you'll be sad. But it was a regular tower. Alright, alright. You know what? Just while you're in my chat, no emojis that have planes in them, please. There's no plane emoji and no building emojis. I shouldn't have said that. Now you're gonna think of creative ways to get around those restrictions, aren't you? I'm recreating the uranium house right now. No! Not the uranium house incident. Uh, 20 tick. Dot MC function. Yeah, I'm recreating the uranium. No. Scoreboard objectives add numbers. Scoreboard player set 0. 0 numbers 0. Okay. Execute if score. We'll read the same message. Yeah, my bad. I noticed that, but I didn't want to say anything. Is greater than 0 numbers run scoreboard players add t time -1.
I'm back.
Hi Sand, welcome back. That didn't take you forever. I honestly forgot I was in a VC with you.
Wow.
My bad.
Didn't take me that long, did it?
I think I just genuinely forgot I was in a VC with you. It didn't honestly take you that home. Hi Zer, how's it going, man? Okay, if T, then that ticks it down. Alright, perfect. So now, execute if score T time is equal to...
I'll be back. I'm just gonna join Matrix Mobilize as a VC for a second.
Fair enough. Okay, so... let me think. 280. Okay, I need to wait till it's 270. That's equals... oh no, it's matches 270 run title at a title by... wait, go. 271. It's gonna be 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, hello?
Hi, Yako.
Hi, Ren. How's it going?
I don't know why I have staff.
Why are you at
I just
Stan's house? Well, hi.
I'm not.
Oh, wait. Oh, you just joined? Wait. Who is this? Yeah, this is Ren. Okay, I was making sure. Hi. Okay, I forgot I was in a public VC. Oh, yeah, I thought that Stan joined back. He was in the VC a second ago. Okay. Well, hi, I'm streaming currently.
Oh, you are.
Actually, I think
don't know why I have staff. I just came in.
I think I'm gonna join to a VC that's a little bit safer.
Bet.
Go to Sans Discord. Actually,
Sans game.
yes. Actually, wait. Better idea.
Go to your campaign.
Join. Oh yeah, we can go to the D&D camp. That's a good idea. We can get to the D&D campaign server. Good idea, Ren. All right, guys, we have relocated calls. It's fine. We've relocated. Hi, welcome, Ren. So I'm currently streaming. Wow. Isn't that so amazing?
Yes, that's very fun.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, run.
My one.
Release attackers. Okay, let me make a new function. Release attackers dot MC function. Gonna move this in here, and now I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna do it to this one. Spawn doors. Yep.
My is spazzing out, bro.
Well, welcome back. Please don't spaz out.
Oh my gosh, Discord just crashed on my PC. Holy.
Oh, that's probably not very good.
Yeah, I'm gonna restart my PC. I'm
Okay.
on my phone.
Go ahead.
Why do you have to move to a saver VC? What happened?
No, I was just scared that someone was gonna join since that server's pretty public. I was like Matrix or someone and start saying the N-word. I don't know.
Oh my god.
I just don't know them well enough to trust them to not do that. It's the game show community. You can never know.
Oh yeah.
I forgot I was in that VC. Low key.
Don't worry. The reason why I joined is because I didn't even know I had staff in that server until I looked. I'm like, why am I staff?
It's fine. Anyways, I'm probably gonna end this stream now. But I made a good bit of progress. It's mainly just back-end things, but next stream I think I'm gonna work on more of the fun individual character designs.
Your friend Mr. Sand is waiting in the staff VC alone.
Oh wait, let me ping him. At Sand. I'll get him in here. There we go. Alright. Well, yeah. For anyone still watching stream, I'm gonna end that here. Next time I stream, I'll do something a little bit more entertaining. I'll be working on 3D modeling and some of the individual character abilities, so that'll be really fun. But anyways, all of you have a totally to be weird rest of your day.
Goodbye.